Hello there, my friend. This is Francisco Hernandez, and we are with video number 2. This is one important video that I'm going to show you, and the reason that is very important is because with this video you're going to learn how to earn while you learn. Okay, so we're going to set up our AI funnel, and what we do with that, we want to be generating income, right? And the way that I'm going to show you here is going to be very important, and I'm going to give you 2 strategies that you can use to get commissions as soon as possible. Okay, so before you even get started creating the funnel, I'm going to show you how to do this really quick. Okay, let me share my desktop. Okay, as you can see here in my desktop, we're going to come to the affiliate zone. This is the Home Business Academy. Is $25 to get this training that I'm going to give you. So to get access to the Home Business Academy is $25, and you get the Funnel Builder and the Funnel Builder Academy, and you get the affiliate zone as well. Now, if you don't want to get the $25, if you don't want to get the $25 business system with the Home Business Academy and the funnel that comes with it, you're using your own funnel or whatever, you're not going to be able to check this information unless you want to come in for, we're giving $25 for 3 days that you can refund your money if you don't like what you see here. But that is really going to encourage you to get the $25, get your funnel builder, get the information that I'm giving you here. And if after 3 days you don't really like what you see in this business, in this system, then request your refund. Okay, but I'm going to tell you, this is super important. This is amazing information that you're going to be able to use and get as leads and sales as soon as today if you put in practice this information that I'm going to give you. So if you get some sales, hey, will it be worth the $25? I believe so, right? So let me switch to my screen again. So when you get this funnel builder from the Home Business Academy, you get all this information in here, right? I'm not going to go through that right now because I just want to get you started making money, right? Or get your very first sales as soon as possible. So come here to the affiliate zone, and you will need to create an affiliate program, okay? Or if you're promoting your own products and services, that's okay. Do not get the affiliate program. If you're not planning to promote the Home Business Academy, don't worry about this. But if you do, you sign up for the affiliate program, and you get your affiliate links from there to promote our products and services, okay, from the Home Business Academy. We got the Funnel Builder Academy and the Funnel Builder. We got the HBA Premium Traffic and Conversions, and we got the Financial Literacy Academy. This is a funnel builder. Of course, you make pages and all that kind of stuff. Pages, funnels, websites. You can do membership sites. Really good product. Really, really good. It's a really good rival for ClickFunnels if you ever heard of them. The HBA Premium Traffic and Conversions is amazing. You got a lot of traffic strategies and conversion strategies, as well as live support. We got live trainings and all that. Financial Literacy Academy is for you to keep. If you're making money already with your business, this will give you the information in how to keep the most out of it. Okay, so let's get started. We go to affiliate zone once again. If you don't have an affiliate program, then sign up for it with the $25, and then get your links from here. And what you're gonna do after that, you're gonna launch your business immediately. How you gonna do that? You're gonna do that with these 2 social media posts. You can choose whichever you want, or maybe you can choose both. You can use both. One day you use one, and the other day you use another one. The way that you're gonna do it is very, very simple. Right click in whichever image that you like, and click copy image, and then go to your social media. Most likely, Facebook is the way to go. You put it in here, and then you paste your image, and then you just post it. Okay, and this right here, I'm gonna, instead of public, I'm gonna put it just for me right now, because I don't want to post this right, for everybody. But you're just gonna do that, right? You're gonna post it and click in post, and guess what? That is the very first step that you're gonna do. People are gonna be looking at your page, people who follow you and everything, and they're gonna say, oh my God, 80 residual and all that kind of stuff, I want to see it. They're gonna start commenting, and I want to see it. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna follow the scripts that we have in here. Okay, so intro email, that's email, but this is the message version. Okay, so if they see your information, you're gonna be following up with them. You're gonna give them the mention like that. This is another message and another message. Okay, so the whole thing. And also, if they say no, then you give them this information, and if they say yes, you give them this information. So it's super simple. With this strategy, you can start getting sales as soon as today. Okay, if somebody sees your message or your post, they will be interested, right? And they're gonna say yes, I want to see it. Then you just start having a conversation with them. And we got what to say in here, right? The message version 1, version 2, we got what to say already. So you don't even have to worry about what to say, all right? So that's number 1. And I'm going to show you how powerful that strategy is, okay? So just a few minutes ago, or 1 hour ago, I posted this video that I'm going to be showing people in how to do automation with artificial intelligence and stuff like that. And look at this. This friend of mine, Brian Perisho, he already posted, that he want info. See? It's as simple as that. And then you just start messaging him and get him that information that he is asking for. All right, so this is really, really, really powerful. Now, the second strategy that I'm gonna give you is messaging for sales. Okay, with this strategy, I was able to generate 11 customers within a month. Okay, in 1 month, 11 customers. So if let's pretend that your business, your online business pays you $100 per month per customer. Imagine I'm gonna be making $1,100 with those 11 customers. It is possible for you too. Okay, so the HBA is also a paid access here. And one of the things that I'm gonna do for you, if you don't have this membership, you can still get access to this particular training with only $1. You're gonna have 7 days that you can access the information that we have in here, and it's only gonna be $1. If you decide to continue with the membership, it's gonna be $125 per month. And if you don't want to pay that amount of money, then you can just cancel after 7 days. Now, one of the things that I want to let you know is that all the programs that we have in here, all the products, they pay 80% if you are an affiliate for us. Okay, so if I'm paying $125 for this particular product, the HBA Premium, and I resell it for someone, then I'm gonna get $100 just for this program, but I need to own them to make commissions out of them. If I don't own them, let's say for example I own this one and this one, but I do not own this one, then if somebody comes and buys this and buys this, I'm gonna get commissions from this too. But what about if he buys this? I will not get commission from this one. Okay, and this is our low entry product. This is our medium one, and this is the high ticket product. So just imagine that I will lose a lot of money in this one. Anyways, $1 for this particular training $1 for 7-day trial on this particular membership. So you just come here where it says get traffic for free, and then you check this training, 3 steps to irresistible invitations. Okay, you watch this training, and then this is what you're gonna learn in this particular presentation. Okay, the prerequisites to make it work, the 3 steps to irresistible invitations. You have to confirm the commitment. Then you have to give effective invitations. This is the most important part, right? Effective invitations. And you also will learn how to handle curveballs. This information is super powerful, okay? And you can click in the lesson worksheet, the audio if you want to download the audio, and the cheat sheet. The cheat sheet is super cool because it has all the information in here in what you're supposed to do. Okay, so very, very important. I'm also gonna put a link to a video, a 1-hour video that I made myself. I created this training for all the members of the Home Business Academy. Show them how I use this irresistible 3-step invitation formula, how I used it, and how I got my customers. And actually, one of the guys who was in the training was my customer that I invite him through this invitation formula. So it is very, very powerful. And these two particular trainings, will help you to generate income as soon as possible if you apply those strategies today. Okay, so once again, I highly recommend you to start the $25 Funnel Builder Academy with the Funnel Builder, so you can get access to the affiliate zone and the post that we have. This post has been tested by our 7- and 8-figure earners. They provided to us because it works. Okay, so get access with the $25, get access to the Funnel Builder and the Funnel Builder Academy and the affiliate area. I'm going to put the link for that. If you don't have that product, if you have it already, then go to that particular section. And also, if you don't have the HBA Premium, I'm going to put the link below this video so that you can get access to the other training that is super, super important. It's amazing. You will see. It's going to help you generate income as soon as possible. Okay, I'm going to put the link below this video. It's going to be $1 for 7 days. After that, if you want to continue, is $125. And once again, because you own those 2 products, you will be able to generate 80% commissions in those products. Okay, so I will see you in the inside, and have a wonderful day.